I'm such a mess. This is your pre-warning. I'm such a mess. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Megan, just in case you don't know me already, and I'm back with another makeup challenge. I have done this makeup challenge already before, so the makeup challenge is the one dip makeup challenge. So this is where you can literally just have one dip or one pump of foundation, and that's it for your entire face. There is no double dipping. No double dipping at all. Like I said, I have done this makeup challenge on my channel before, so I'll leave it linked down below. So I'm hoping to learn from my mistakes, but we're doing it again. Round 2. The difference is with this video is actually in collaboration with loads of my beautiful friends. I often do collabs with them, so I'll leave all their links to the channels and the videos and down below, so make sure you go and check them out because they're all such amazing people. I actually met them through Luce Stevenson here on YouTube. I'm sure you've probably heard of her, I'm sure you probably know her, but it's actually through her Patreons. Come join us, come be a Patreon, it's so much fun. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'd love it if you stick around, hit subscribe, I'd love to have you. And let's just get into the makeup challenge. So I'm starting off, I have nothing on my face other than moisturiser right now. I've cleaned my brushes, don't want to be accused of cheating, I've cleaned them. So I'm excited. Let's start off with some primer. So last time I used the Honeydew Me Up primer, but I thought my only other one with a dofer is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. Now this doesn't get much product on the dofer, hence why I didn't use it last time. So I thought I could go in with the L'Oreal Infallible drops and just get like one prepare, and then that's done. It'll be good to me, L'Oreal. So I'm just gonna squeeze it, and whatever comes out, like that's what I use on my face and no more. Is that it? And some just drop back in. But yeah, this seems to be all we can use today. It might be okay, you know, actually. I didn't think it would be, but I'm using every last drop. Okay. Primer's done, and that was super successful, so I'm happy right now. I'm feeling a little bit confident, you know. Quietly confident. Watching Speak Too Soon. So now I'm going to use the Revolution Conceal and Define because it has a dofer. I will dip into this like 2-3 times. And look, that's all I can use. I'm getting everything off this. I'm still going. Okay, so I feel like I have absolutely everything off this dough for now, so I am just going to blend it in, hope for the best. Brushes usually give me the most coverage. This is the PC02 and it has absolutely nothing on it. It's clean. I clean my brushes. You know what? I still would normally use a little bit more, but I'm okay with this, you know. You can definitely still see all of my freckles, and I kind of thought that this would be the case, that I would want a little bit more coverage. So that's why I went with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Whatever's on the dofer, that is all I'm going to use. A little bit there, a little bit there. The colour is going to be a little bit off because the Revolution foundation is slightly too light for me. I'm locked in anyway, no one's going anywhere, no one's gonna see me. Won't have any posts coming, so you know what, I'm kind of happy with the amount that came off actually. It was a lot more than I thought it was gonna be, so let's see how it all blends out. Okay, so that's blended in quite nice. It's giving me a little bit more coverage, which is what I wanted. I'm kind of nailing this challenge a little bit right now. So before I powder down, I have actually got liquid blusher. This is the Made by Mitchell liquid blusher, the blush. So whatever I get on the dough for is what I'm going to use, and I feel like that's going to be enough. That's what I've got. So this is in the shade Sweet Cheeks, if anyone's wondering. A bit there and a bit there. I'm going to go a little bit crazy because I love this colour. I'll put a bit on my nose, why not? Let's go with that, we've done it. There was still a little bit more on my brush, but we're going with this. Let's grab a clean brush. I may have made a mistake.
Flashback.
I'm kind of nailing this challenge a little bit right now.
End of flashback.
I am actually taking back my genius words now. I think I've made a mistake. Oh dear. Oh no. I still need to powder though, but oh no. Oh no. It doesn't normally do this. Maybe it's this brush. Oh dear. I think I've messed up. Okay, so let me explain. Just in case you're new to my channel, which I'm kind of guessing some of you are because you might have come from somebody else's channel. And yeah, my makeup skills like are not this bad, I promise. I feel like this is going worse than the last one. Let's put this down. Okay, let's powder down and hope it kind of adds a little bit more coverage to my cheeks because they're not looking good right now. So I'm gonna use the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. I went with a pressed powder. Last time I went with a loose powder and it was so messy. It was crazy messy. So I changed tactics now. I've gone with a pressed powder and a massive brush to like really load up from this. So let's see. My brush is loaded, so oh, I need some under my eyes, but I need some to cover my cheeks. Okay, pull a bit there, pull a bit there. Come on, Rimmel. You know what? My face actually feels like really set. I'm impressed with that. I wasn't sure about it. I thought, no, I've gone wrong here, but nope. At least I did something right. Okay, so I'm gonna try my eyebrows. My eyebrows take me such a long time to do. I just want to get some colour on them and just make them even. That is my aim. So I am gonna use the Cabrow and I have this in the shade 2. Do you know what? I've not actually cleaned this brush. Cleaned all my other brushes, but I've not cleaned this one. I've got loads and loads of product off this brush. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I don't like a line. So let's draw another line. Well, they're definitely there. They're also definitely not even. They're very patchy. But I'm thinking, if you like really squint like this, really squint, I look okay. I'm thinking let's add some bronzer and maybe it will save my cheeks. You know what, let's get contour first. Right, so I'm taking the I Heart Revolution contour palette. This is in the shade Firm, just using the top shade. Let's see. Okay, have I had so too much? Oh, not enough. I've got everything off the brush that I can get. I was relying on this. Luckily I have a bronzer. Hopefully we can like even it out just a little bit. So let's take clean brush again. Do you know what? I want like a decent amount of bronzer, but not too much. Let's go. Okay, I have my bronzer. I just don't think there's any saving this blusher at all. I did actually have a powder blusher as well. I went with the Revolution Blusher Reloaded in Peaches and Cream because I thought last time I went wrong with the blusher, so I thought I'm not going to go wrong again at the same point, but it kind of looks like I have. I'm thinking the problem is with the blush, I normally layer it up, so I do put that amount on, but I normally layer it up and I normally use a much more like denser stippling brush to like really blend it into the skin. I don't know, we're just going for a blush look. Do I put more blusher on? Let's just a little bit. That's all we need, Megan. Bit there, bit there, bit there. Done. No more blush. Oh, I completely forgot I had this. This is the Sensorium Brow Engineer in the shade Ash. I have been really enjoying this. So I'm just going to use whatever's on this. I'm just going to like just take that little end bit off because I don't want to ruin my brows. Jesus. And obviously I thought my brows were going to go a little bit better because I picked out this for the video. This is the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit, and I feel I could be okay with whatever's on here, but I definitely did not want my brows to be on all day looking like this. Let's move on. Highlighter. Decided to go with Gloss and Glow from Wet n Wild. Really pretty highlighter, super affordable. Plain brush, one dip. Is that too much? When it here. Okay, so this is my base done. Let's move on to some eyeshadow. So I'm going to prime my eyes. I'm going to use the Beauty Bay eye base. So whatever's on Lidofa, I'm going to use it. And I definitely feel like this is going to be enough. So I'm going to take the Iconic London Day to Slay palette. This is what the palette looks like. It's like 20 shades. It is super expensive. I did get it in my Glossy Box advent calendar, but I do actually use it a lot and I really like the colours in it. It's really pretty. I really like it. Let's take the shade Peaches and Dreams. This one here, absolutely clean because it is brand new. One dip for both eyes. Do I tap off?
One dab, 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 one
dab. Right, let's blend. Oh, this is pretty peachy colour. It's nice. Well, this eye is looking a little bit more colourful. I'm trying to take a bit of colour from this eye and put it onto this eye. We're not so even, but you know what? When are my eyes even? You know what? Next colour's going on this side first. Let's go in with the shade Bellini. Why do I say that so weird? Bellini. Right, let's see. One dip.
One dip is all it takes.
See, the problem is, on this side I want to take a lighter shade to buff out that top bit, but I definitely don't want a lighter shade on this side. The struggles. Take a little bit of Deep Soul. Just a little bit. And I just want this to light the outer edges. So I do want to blend out the top bit. I'm going to take the shade Marshmallow on another brush. That should be alright, right? You know what, let's just get a shimmer to save it. So I think I'm going to take the shade Peach Fizz just because it's beautiful and I want to use it. I might use another shade to blend it in, but I also might not. Right, let's go. Look how pretty that shade is. It is beautiful. Oh, and a bit there. I absolutely love this palette. It's just beautiful. Do you know what? I will just take another little shade just to kind of blend a little bit. I probably shouldn't, but I'm going to anyway. So let's take it on this finger because this finger is clean. Let's go with Bronze Bay. I feel like that's going to be enough. I feel like it's going to be enough. I haven't used this shade from the palette before, so... Oh, it's pretty. I absolutely love this palette. So I'm going to take the shade Ultra Tan, this one right here, and let's dip it in. That should be fine. Just a bit of colour on the lower lash line. You know what? I'm happy with that. If I do say so myself, I feel like my eyeshadow has come out okay. I feel like I would go out with my eyeshadow like this. Just maybe not the rest of my face. Let's take the shade Icon down here for my inner corner and brow bone. That is definitely way too much again. Way too much. Mascara, I've got the Collection Lacid. I absolutely love this mascara, but I normally dip in probably like 4 times just with the amount of layers that I do, but I feel like we're just gonna get 1 layer. I'll be happy with 1 layer today as long as both eyes look relatively the same. So whatever comes on the wand is what I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna get rid of that little end bit there. Like that. Both eyes. I've been using my mirror that's a little bit further away and I'm not looking so good up close. Oh well. So my mascara is done. It's not too bad, it's pretty even. Almost the final step, so I'm going to take the KVD Vegan Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Lolita, and I'm just going to use whatever comes out on the little doe-foot. I haven't used this for such a long time, so I can't remember how much actually comes out on the doe-foot, but you know what? It looks like we'll be okay. Hopefully. I'm just so bad at applying lipstick in general. I'm so bad at applying lipstick. I just find it so hard. Final step was me thinking I was genius and I thought I want to use a setting spray to set all my makeup, keep it lasting all day. It's not what I want right now because I definitely want to take this off right now. But last time I used like, I don't know, just a spray, and I literally did 1 spray and like that was it. Oh yeah, I have the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. 1 dip, that's all you need, once. That's all I'm gonna need, and let's just do it. And I'm all set. What a disaster! So yeah, this is the part where I usually pose and ask you what you think of my look, and kind of part of me doesn't really want to know what you think, but anyway, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and make sure you hit the like button if you did enjoy this video. I absolutely love filming makeup challenges. I've done quite a few different makeup challenges on my channel, so I will leave the playlist link down below for you to check out. But first, make sure you check out everybody else's videos because I think they're just going to be so much fun to watch. I'm going to have such a good night watching everyone's videos. I'm so excited. I absolutely love these girls to pieces and I love collaborating with them. But yeah, if you enjoyed seeing it on my face and you want to see more of my face, make sure you hit subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell whilst you're there, just so you're notified of every time that I upload. And I hope I'll see you in my next video. I hope.